Hi Stampers, it's Gigi with StampFUNatics. Thanks for joining me today. And I just wanted to show you this brand new suite. It's going to be an online exclusive that comes out on November 7th for customers. But right now, demonstrators can order it early. And actually, we can order it from October 3rd to November 6th. And I just wanted to say right now we're having a 35% off to celebrate Stampin' Up's 35th anniversary, where you get 35% off the cost of your starter kit, or you can get 35% more product with your starter kit. And this could be part of your starter kits. That's why I'm mentioning it. Again, this starter kit special ends the end of October, so that's why I wanted to tell you. You only have a few more days to get in on this, but if you wanted to get these products in your hands sooner, like I did, then go ahead and sign up with me. You can reach me at StampFUNatics.com, or you can even email me if you want at StampFUNatics@gmail.com. So let's get started. This is called Garden Meadow. It is the cutest set. It has a nice little fence, gardening tools, a little boots, a flower wheelbarrow, a little flower basket, some quail, other flowers, watering can. I mean, there's so many things in different directions that you can take this. I've made a ton of them, so stick around till the end of this video and you'll see all my ideas. And that also comes with the Garden Meadow dies. And this is, if you get these together as a bundle, you can save 10%, or you can go ahead and just get this whole suite, which I think you might want like I did. I don't usually gravitate towards a lot of floral products. It's just not my thing. But I saw this die and I knew I wanted it. And then I saw the beautiful paper that comes with it, and I just could not get it. And then plus all this cute spring things that are coming. So it has a little fence. It's got the watering can and the little flowers, the boots, some grass. Let's see what else. There is the wheelbarrow. I mean, the gardening tools, just everything. So it makes it easy to cut these out. Okay. Now I just wanted to show you the paper. It is stunning. And it is called Meandering Meadows. It just reminds me of Monet. This is why I was drawn to it, because I like good art. I don't necessarily like, a lot of flowery things for my stamps, but this paper is stunning and it is just so gorgeous. So I just wanted to show you the front, and then you have more of a generic, just kind of pattern paper on the back. Then you have that gorgeous one. And again, nice pattern paper. I mean, all of these, I could just picture myself out in those fields. It's so beautiful and just so calming. Now this one actually has a pattern on both sides. Okay, then this one, another little path, or it could be a stream, I'm not sure. And nice, beautiful green. Now that would be cool to cut your grass out on. I didn't even think of that one. Still getting used to this paper, but it's so beautiful. Look at the colors. They're so rich and gorgeous. And okay, I've got that. And then a nice, beautiful blue. I believe that might be blueberry bushel. Here's a nice little lake with a scene with gorgeous flowers and flowers on the back. And then you've got, again, a pattern one on the back. And this one is pretty because it even has the creek kind of going up that way. So you can cut whatever part of this paper that you want. I found it hard to cut it though, so I gotta tell you, it's not easy. Okay, so that's our paper. And it also comes with, these are called adhesive-backed dragonflies and birds. And look at them. These birds are flying in different directions. They're actually, let me open this again, there are some going this way, and then there's smaller ones going that way, and then you have all of these cute little dragonflies. So, so cute. So here's my ideas, and I actually just perused the internet and found some demonstrators that had already made them. Some of them are their ideas, some of them are my ideas, some are Stampin' Up. I just took a variety of it, and I just wanted to get my hands in there and get them made. So here's one idea. And this one is just a regular card size. It's just I took 1 inch off the end. And then you can have it this way in a horizontal direction. There's those pretty little birds. And there's the whole scene. And then I just cut the bottom of that paper, which is 6 by 6. I cut it down to size and I just added it to the bottom. So I'm trying to kind of continue the scene. Okay, and here's another one in that direction. And this one I put thinking of you. And again, I put a little bird. I just kind of scattered them around, kind of try to follow that creek design when I did it. And then here's one I did in this direction. It's the same thing, only now I'm turning it. And again, I just tried to keep the pattern going. So when you cut it, then do your 1 inch so it kind of continues it. And then you can use any papers that you want. I tried to pick out colors that were in the flowers because it just kind of made it pop. And so this one had a lot of the purples and stuff. So I used Highland Heather. And then this one, I just loved the reds and things in this one. I believe this one, let me see, was Berry Burst. That was this one. Okay, and then I had one that I saw where it was cut in the middle like this. You can put your sentiment, flip the back to one of those pattern papers that we had. And I just kind of took it out of this kind of pattern, so it continued. And then I did Thinking of You again, and I just put my dimensionals on the left side so that the card can still open. And I added some of the dragonflies and the birds. Okay, then I had to get into the dies. And so, I mean, this is why I loved it, because it's like a picture and it just takes you right in. So I added the watering can and the flowers, and all this was cut out with the dies that matched the set. And then I added some of the little birds. And this one, I added the wheelbarrow with the flowers, excuse me, and added Every Day is a Fresh Start. It just reminds me of a daybreak, and then the beautiful flowers that you're collecting that maybe you're cutting. And then this one, it came with the little fence that's in the dies, and also the grass. I cut out some grass, and then I put on some little ribbon. And all I do here is I cut this out of the paper where I wanted it, and then the black piece I cut to fit, which is 4 by 5 1/4. And then I centered my die over it and cut out the black, and then I just fit this inside of it. So that's how I made that. So these are just some of the wonderful ideas that you can reproduce too with this set. I say get the dies and everything too, because I absolutely love them. And there's just so much more that we can do with them. So we're not done yet. And so again, oh, and here's another thing I thought of. This set, Crafting with You, can you just see a portion of this paper on that easel with the little paint brushes as if someone was painting it? I mean, how gorgeous would that be? So keep that in mind too if you have that set. So again, the set is called Garden Meadow. It will be coming out November 7th. And I'm going to tell you right now, it's going to be super popular. A lot of people have already gotten it that are demonstrators. So you know how that goes. And we don't want you to miss out on this or get upset. So I'm telling you, if this is something you want as a customer, I would get on and mark your calendar November 7th. Get on the online exclusive and order the Garden Meadow suite or any part of the set that you like. And definitely the paper. The paper is amazing. Anyway, let's see, what else can I tell you? Oh, and if you can't wait until November 7th, don't forget about our online exclusive, our 35th anniversary exclusive, where you can join my team now. Come to me at StampFUNatics.com and get signed up. All you have to do is join in the fun. You don't ever have to have a class. You, after your first order, start getting discounts of 20%. Work your way up if you want by how much you order. And I've been in it about 10 years now, and I have not regretted it, and I've made wonderful friends. And we also have a joining special that, let's see, up till October 31st, you can also get registration in our on-stage event that's coming out with our next mini catalog for the spring, which will have these things in it. And you'll be able to go on that and do a Zoom, and you can get free registrations. That's another $75 that you get to save on that one too, or $77 value, sorry, $77. So, and you also get free shipping, free business supplies, everything that comes in your starter kit. So, and the starter kit is anything you want to order. We don't tell you what. You can order out of the annual catalog, our little holiday catalog, I call it right now. Or you can get a jump start on some of this spring on the online exclusives for your kit. So I hope you'll join me in the fun. I mean, it's just been great. And if you have any questions, you can reach me at StampFUNatics@gmail.com, and I'll get right back to you. Thanks and have a great day.